In here in Walgreens, see what they have, man. Marvel Legends. It's like the same stuff. Yep, just about. Got some Transformers. Anything new Funko Pop. Got Jango Fett. Olaf in the back. We got these, they're on clearance. There's your minis. No blind bags for the Disney's Zoom Zoom for my girlfriend. There's more stuff this way, but I don't think there's really anything though. I'm actually interested in this. It's on clearance too. $4.49. I like the Illidan. Maybe we should get some of these, huh? But other than that, man, there's your WWE. More Transformer stuff. There's a Destiny. Kingdom Hearts. A lot of stuff are on clearance. But yeah, let's get some of this blind boxes and get up out of here. Catch y'all later. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Your boy Samaj. We back with another one. Salute to y'all for checking back in. Sorry I couldn't get a video out sooner. But things came up. I got a little busy. I do apologize, but we're back. We are gonna do this McFARLANE Toys Naruto figure review. And I did add a little clip. I did run out to Walgreens today. Just a random trip. Wasn't really looking for anything, but saw that these were on clearance. I've been eyeballing these for a while actually, but paying $10 for them wasn't ideal to me at the time. But to pay under $5 now that they're on clearance, decided to grab them. I think the only character I'm really looking forward to pulling out of here is the Illidan up there. Everyone else is cool too. I wouldn't mind getting everybody, but Illidan will be like my top pull if I do get them out of here. But yeah, I never seen these figures out of the box before, so I'm not sure how they look. But the box art on it is dope already, so I hope they look exactly the same. But why don't we go ahead and jump to this first, and then we'll do the review. And like I said, man, that Illidan, that'll be a dope pull. I'm always a big fan of Blizzard. Everything they have been doing is great. Their gaming, their storylines, all that's dope. I think the last thing I've touched that was from the Blizzard franchise was of course World of Warcraft. Didn't really play the actual World of Warcraft. My cousin, my little brothers did, but I did play a game that was based off it, or someone had created from the Warcraft characters and the map and whatnot. That game is Dota. I don't know if you guys remember. This was actually before League of Legends. But yeah, man, Dota was a really good game. We're always playing it, man. We always had like LAN parties and whatnot, so it was pretty dope. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. That's all that's in the box. It's a pretty big bag compared to other mystery minis. But yeah, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, there's a little notch that we could tear. So let's see what we get now. Nothing else in the bag but the actual mystery mini. And it comes with a base, a stand base. Y'all can see that. And it says Blizzard on it. But let's see who we pulled. I'm not familiar with this character. So this is Para or Farah. I just dropped the box. I was going to show you guys the name of this mystery mini. Is this an Overwatch character, y'all? You guys let me know. I'm not sure, but that's her right there. Is it Farah? But yeah, so that's our first pull. And let's go run through these real quick. Like I said, all I want is that Illidan. But if we don't get Illidan, as long as we don't get duplicates. But they look good though. These bags are like humongous. Oh snap, I dropped that. Again, it comes with the stand, the base stand. And then we have this dude here. These things are well sculpted. Paint application looks good too. So that was Barbarian. Next one, I bought 6. So I think I bought the whole thing that they had there. And like I said, they were on clearance, so I didn't pay too much for them at the end of the day. Where is that notch? So we got her in a different variant. This is Farah again, I believe. Unless there's another one that's just like her. Let's go make sure. Okay, so this is Anubis. It's the Anubis Para. It's pretty dope. Side by side. So you see the Anubis Para actually has the Anubis helmet on. Yeah, it's well detailed. I'm liking this. It's really dope. So this is our 4th box now. Got 2 more after this. Then we'll jump into the Naruto action figure. This one actually feels bigger for some reason. I don't know who could it be. Oh, right on. We pulled them. We got ourselves Illidan. Here you go, man. Dope. Look at his horns. It's crazy. Like I said, details, paint job, everything is really dope on this. Oh, there's actually some little articulation. I just noticed that. So you have this little bit of wrist articulation. Huh. His head don't move. Huh. Now I'm curious about everybody else. So Illidan has a wrist articulation. This Barbarian doesn't have no articulation. And the Farahs don't have articulation either. So it's only Illidan that has articulation. Huh, pretty weird. Well, we pulled what we wanted. Let's see what else let's see what the last 2 are. That'll be funny if I get 2 Illidan. I wouldn't mind it though. Into this. And we have a new one. Just dropped everything right now. So this is Bastion. It's like a robot. or a droid. He has that bird in his hand. I don't know what that represents. Maybe you guys could tell me. No articulation on this one either. But look at that cannon in the back. That cannon is crazy. What game is he from? Is he from Overwatch as well? Oh, dope. Let's go ahead and get into our last one. And like I said, our last pull was that Bastion. That was pretty dope. We get 6 different figure out of this blind box. And we did get a different one. That's cool. No duplicates at all. And this one's well protected with this plastic thingy. She has a pretty big gun. I dropped all the boxes. I can't even tell you what's her name. Noba. So here we got Noba. It's dope, man. Gun's pretty flimsy, but it's alright. Again, no articulation on this one. So the only one that had articulation is Illidan. He's freaking dope, man. I'm really digging him. I hope he could stand well with that big, those 2 big horns in front of his head, because that seems like it'll weigh him down. But I mean, they all come with these little display stands for them, so we'll see how that works. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this McFARLANE Toys Naruto action figure. I'm really hyped about opening this up and checking them out. Look like he has some well articulation on them. We'll compare his articulation with we have Saitama here, still posted. See what we're working with, man. So coming right out the box, you have this little background here. So there's Naruto out of box. You do get 2 set of hands. Your kunai throwing knives right there, and then you see the base plate for him to stand on. I think all of McFarlane action figures come with those. Pull them out. Set that to the side. And here you go. You got your Naruto. So this is more of his teenage years. So it's a Naruto Shippuden. Looking good. Head articulation. Hey, sorry about that, guys. My battery just died on me, so I had to run and grab a fresh battery. But anyways, like I was saying, his coat back here, or his vest, is hindering his neck movement or his head from looking up any more than that. And the same thing with going down. It's just that collar on his vest right there. It's so high up that you don't get much of a up or down look. But for his arm wise, his arm go up that far up. His shoulder does roll all the way around, and he does have this butterfly this butterfly joint right here, where it'll slightly move forward and backward. So that's pretty dope. You have bicep, then you have your, of course, your double jointed elbow, and then you have your wrist joint where it swivels, but it doesn't rock, so it just rotates. And then same thing with the other arm, exact same thing. Then same thing with Saitama. You have your upper torso, rotation. Looks back that far. Looks down about that far. So not much there, but you do have a rotation around for him. No waist swivel, so his waist doesn't turn. Or does it? Oh, my bad. So his waist does turn. So you got a lot going on with this one. But that's as far as it'll go. Which is natural. For his legs there, it's kind of hard. Yeah, you do have to try to kind of force it because of that this little section right here of his leg. You have to bend in. But it's, I mean, it's soft plastic, so it's pretty easy after you get it in, like this one. And it is like a ratchet. It's like a ratchet joint right there, so it'll lock in place really well. He does have thigh rotation on both thighs. Then you have your double jointed knee there. His ankle. So he has no, oh wow, he has boot rotation as well. So it rotates up here above his ankle, as y'all see. And then he has the rockers for his ankles, which also spins, rocks. And he has the toe. So you're getting a lot out of this Naruto. A lot of movement, a lot of articulation, much more than Saitama here. Saitama here, his thigh doesn't move, his boot doesn't move, but everything else seems on par with Saitama. Yeah, Saitama even has, you know, the butterfly joint right there, where it gives you that slight movement. But yeah, like I said, there's a lot of different articulation from Naruto and Saitama. Starting with, you know, especially with the leg area, because Naruto has that thigh rotation. You could tell Saitama don't. And then Naruto has his rotation down here at the boot, and again Saitama doesn't. It's just solid. But I mean, not taking anything away from McFarlane Toy Saitama, is still a dope action figure. Just they gave Naruto here a lot more articulation than they did Saitama. But I guess maybe it's a making it up for this hindrance in the neck. Like I said, I mean, that's all you're getting for him to look up and looking down. Any more, and I'm gonna break his neck because it is coming up loose there. And then with accessories, like I showed you, he has his two kunai knives, the little throwing knives they use, the ninjas. So yeah, pull them out, and then I'm not gonna swap out the hands, but he does got two closed fists, like I had mentioned earlier. So let's see how well this how well he'll hold on to his kunai knives. So it's pretty hard putting it in. Well, one hand actually. With the other hand, it came in pretty good. Maybe if I mean, the plastic is soft on the hands, but you don't want to mess with it too much, because the plastic is so soft that it might break. So there you go, Naruto. This kunai knives. Good grip on it. When the plastic actually, when his hands actually forms back into a closed grip. So it's good, man. Everything looks good. Paint job is legit on here. Wish it would have gave us a extra head sculpt. You know, just something different, but it's cool. I'm digging the figure. I'm happy with McFarlane Toys, what they did to this Naruto, and especially their Saitama. I guess they're doing good things with the anime line. And another thing, I wish that they would have gave us, if they weren't going to give us another head sculpt, at least give us another set of hands instead of this closed fist one. That would be cool if they give us some hands for him to do his jutsu. You know, just like the anime when he does hand signals to do his jutsu. That would be cool, you know what I mean? Have his have some extra hands where you know, they're pointing in different directions, so he could do his either his shadow clone jutsu or whatever. So yeah, man, that concludes this Naruto review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about what McFarlane Toys are you know, the things they're doing with the anime collection. So far I'm happy with it, you know, with Saitama, and then with Naruto, he's coming out good. Like I said, I wish Naruto could have came with a couple more extra little accessories. Same thing with Saitama, actually. I wish he would have came with a couple more little extra accessories. But end of the day, I'm happy with the purchase. Can't wait to get him in some poses, get some pictures out of him. But yeah, that wraps it up for Naruto, the homie right there. What else I was gonna mention? Oh yeah, big shout out to all my new subscribers. We're less than 10 for our 100 subscriber giveaway. But let me give out a couple of subscribers just most recently, like I swear, like a couple days ago. They joined the channel. Hey, big shout out to you guys. First guy here, we have Christian Ritana. Hey, big shout out to you. Tat79 and Jack135. Hey, big ups to you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Like I said, we're now officially less than 10 subscriber away from this 100 sub giveaway. So let's get it. Let's go ahead and get it, man. I really want to go ahead and send these out and start a new giveaway with some better prizes and whatnot. But I'm gonna need y'all help. You know what I mean? Share the video. If you're first time here, go ahead and subscribe. You know, we tend to do a lot of different things around here, whether it's Funko Pop related, action figures, mystery boxes, and as y'all saw, sometimes I do these random mystery minis unboxing. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on this channel. Not to mention you know, a little bit of sneaker related stuff. But like I have mentioned in my previous videos, sneaker is my first passion. I just don't do like in-depth reviews on them because there's other channels for that, so I'll leave that to them. But I kind of like to share with you guys, you know, stuff I pick up, you know, whether it's outfit, hats, shoes, whatever, toys. I just kind of like to you know, invite you guys into my life sometimes. But anyways, enough of the rambling. Like I said, we're less than 10 away. Less than 10 away, y'all, from 100 subscribers. Let's get it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up. Go ahead and hit the like button. Y'all like what y'all just saw. Subscribe to your boy if it's your first time here. Comment, let me know what y'all think about Naruto and the mystery minis that we pulled today. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.